AI is changing how people discover what to buy. Nearly 1 in 5 purchases is already influenced by it, and buyers are asking AI what to buy. Your product should show up there, but they don't, which means lost visibility and revenue. It often starts here. AI cannot access the site because your robots.txt blocks it. Even when it can, there's no structured data, so AI does not fully understand your products. Descriptions list features, but miss context and real value. No reviews or mentions, so trust stays low. So there's no optimization for AI search, and AI recommends what it understands. The good part? This is fixable. Allow AI crawlers in your robots.txt. Add structured data so AI can read products. Answer the real buyer questions. Collect reviews and build presence across trusted platforms. Optimize for AI search, not just SEO. Make sure your products show up. Visit Griziti to explore how we can help.